Bitcoin, crash or curveball? Rekt Capital's bullish insight. Hey guys, Waves Andrew from BitsPuls. 2P crypto traders are keeping their eyes peeled on Bitcoin right now, after it's taken a 9% nosedive over the last 7 days. On E of them, the pseudonymous Rekt Capital, has been sharing his insights with his huge following on social media, and reckons that Bitcoin's current re-accumulation phase could trip up some traders into inking it's about to crash. He says that when Bitcoin's in these re-accumulation ranges, you often get these downward spikes below the range lows that trick investors into thinking it's a breakdown. But then it actually bounces back up into an uptrend. So, watch out for those fakeouts. And don't forget, the Bitcoin halving is nearly upon us, which is when the reward for mining Bitcoin gets cut in half. This usually amps up the price, and the next one is due around this time next week. Rekt Capital thinks that means the next bull market peak is still about a year and a half away. He reckons that could happen anytime between mid-September and mid-October 2025. Even though Bitcoin might be in a pullback phase, Rekt Capital says it's not all doom and gloom. He points out that Bitcoin has bounced back from worse before. This current pullback is 18% and has lasted 10 days so far. That's getting close to bargain buying territory, but it's still one of the shortest retracements in this cycle. Previous ones have lasted 2 to 3 weeks, and sometimes up to 2 months. At the time of recording, Bitcoin is sitting at $63,693, up 6% in the last 24 hours. Moving away from Bitcoin, Rekt Capital says that altcoins are probably going to stay in a downswing until at least the end of May, maybe even early June. He says the altcoin hype cycle for the first 3 months of the year is over. So now it's time to sit tight and wait for it to kick off again in the second quarter. That could mean altcoins hitting their lowest point anytime from mid-May to early June. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. My name is Andrew and these have been your crypto news headlines.